Welcome to today's 5-Minute Friday, and it's all about how to deadhead and why to deadhead. So we've got this lovely hanging basket that we've made. It's actually a hanging basket mix, but we've put it in a pot. It's one of the ones we send out on a weekly basis in the spring. And if you look over it carefully, whether you can see from the shop, there's some flowers that have gone off. They've basically died. So what we want to do is deadhead them. The reason we do that is plants live to flower, or majority of plants live to flower, and they're going to put all their energy into that flower and to produce a seed, because they want to basically produce seeds so they produce more plants. What we want to do is interrupt that. The ironic thing about a lot of these plants is they're going to be fertile anyway, but they don't know that. So effectively what we're going to do is take them off, take the deadheads off, in order to put more strength into the plant and to produce more flowers, and we get flowers for a longer period of time. And also your pots, your baskets, your flower beds and stuff like that always look better when they've been deadheaded. What I'd recommend is you do a little bit often rather than waiting for loads and loads of deadheads and then effectively make sure you're going to be there for hours and hours. So I do it little and often. So all we need to do is find the deadheads. So there's one here. You've got a nice flower here and one there. And I'm going to use just literally my fingernails and just going to snip it off and just take it off. You can use scissors, things like roses and stuff, you can use secateurs and stuff like that, but these bedding plants, you can just use your fingers, and I just work my way around. I look for another one and take it off. So that's the Argyranthemums there. I've got some Sophinia flowers where you can see them on the camera there, exactly the same. Just take them off and away you go. So what you'll do is just work around this, you'd rotate it or move around the table and just keep on taking them off. It's literally as simple as that. As you know, our 5-Minute Friday hasn't always been 5 minutes, but this is nice and easy, nice and simple, but it makes a vast amount of difference. In the hot weather as well, make sure you've got your hat on, give them a water and start deadheading.